Now the question says the equation of a line is given to us and they have asked us to find the slope of the line. Okay, see, equation of the line is given like this and we need to find the slope of this line. So let the slope of this line be represented as m1 and we will be using the formula negative coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Now this formula we use to find the to find the slope of a line when equation of a line is known to us. But remember, while using this formula, make sure terms containing x and y both are on one side. So negative coefficient of x over here is 3, coefficient of y is 4. So we are getting slope as 3 upon minus 3 upon 4. So we have got slope. This was the first part. Now the question says we need to find the equation of a line which is perpendicular to this line. So if I draw a rough sketch for you, we need to find the equation of a line. So let this be the line whose equation is to be written. Now this line is perpendicular to the given line. So we will draw it like this. It is perpendicular to the line 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now as you can see in the diagram, we need to find equation of this line and this line is perpendicular to the other line. So whenever two lines are perpendicular, then we get a relation between their slope. Now for this line, we have considered the slope as m1. This is the second line, so let the slope of this line be m2. Now according to the question, these two lines are perpendicular, so the relation between their slopes, it will be like this: m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. This relation we use when two lines are perpendicular. So here m1 is already known to us. m2 we need to calculate. So when you cross multiply, you are getting slope as 4 upon 3. Now you have got slope of this line. Now to write the equation of a line, you need slope. So slope we have got, as well as you need one point on this line. See, you have to write equation of this line, this perpendicular line. So you must know one of the point on this line. Now see what the question says. This line whose equation is to be calculated, this line is passing through intersection of the two lines. See, this is the required line. This required line is passing through the intersection of these two lines. So what we need to do over here, first of all, we need to find intersection of these two lines. So how to find the intersection of these two lines? You will solve equation of these two lines simultaneously. So let's solve the equation. So the equations are, first one is, so we will solve the two equations simultaneously. So the first one is this, the second one is 5x plus 4y is equal to 2. Now let us solve these two equations simultaneously to get value for x and y. So we are making coefficient of y same. So in the first one, coefficient of y is 3. We will multiply second one by 3. In the second one, coefficient of y is 4. You will multiply it by 4. So let's see what will be the result. This will give you 16x plus 12y is equal to 4. The second equation becomes 15x plus 12y is equal to 6. Now we will subtract, so sign of second equation will change. So here y will be eliminated. You will get x is equal to -2. Now substituting this value of x in equation number either 1 or 2 in any of these two equations, you will get value for y. So it's 4x plus 3y is equal to 1. Okay, so here x we have got as -2. So when you solve it, you are getting 3y is equal to, this will become -8 on this side, +8, so 9. And so finally you are getting value for y as 3. So we have got the point of intersection. So point of intersection of the two lines -2, 3. Now according to the question, the line whose equation we have to find, that line is passing through this intersection point. So here in the diagram we can show that this line whose equation is to be calculated, that line is passing through the point. So that point of intersection lies on this line, -2, 3. See, slope was already known to us, 4/3 m2. Slope is known to us. Point through which this line is passing, that point was the point of intersection of these two lines that we have got. Now we need to write the equation. Now remember, to write the equation of a line, what is needed to write equation? What is needed? Slope of the line is needed. So here slope m2, that is 4/3. Slope is needed. Slope is 4/3. And one of the point is needed through which the line is passing. So we know that line is passing through the point of intersection of these two, that is -2, 3. So we will, so it's x1 y1, right, is equal to -2, 3. Now to write the equation, formula is y minus y1 is equal to m. So it's x minus x1. So this will be the formula. Okay, now in this formula you will substitute the values. So it will be y minus y1 is 3 is equal to m, that is 4/3. Then we have x minus x1, so x1 is negative. So when you cross multiply here, you will be getting 3y minus 9 is equal to 4 times, and this will become x plus 2. So 3y minus 9 is equal to 4x plus 8. So the equation will be 3y minus 4x minus 17 is equal to 0.